So in the Power BI desktop, I want to turn on the new visual, the new key influencers visual. It's a preview feature in March, anyhow, 2019. So click here to turn it on. You have to reboot the actual program, I mean. Still not here. So now it's here. There it's there. Key influencers. So I now just want to get the file. One of the files I got was the maths for the Portuguese students. Get data. So CSV, text CSV. So now it's this one here, the maths. That's creating the connection. So now I want to go into the query, Power Query, because I want to change or fix some of the data. So this is Power Query. So I just want to go to the last column, which is G3, which is results from 0 to 20. You can see that here, G3, 0 to 20. So click on the column heading, G3, and I'm going to create a conditional column from that numbers. And next I'm going to add a column of text. So that's going to be the next part.